Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out that's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go download right after the video. Now the name of the watch face is called Morning City. It's got the background of a city, looks really nice. Now in always on mode, it has a basic digital time. It's okay, but the watch face itself looks really good. It's a 24-hour watch face at that, and you can customize it up to 12 different themes. This watch face is nice. Now, if you look at it right at the top, you're gonna get your mouse walk the RAN. You come down, you're gonna get a big bold digital time with a PM stamp, and down up under that, you're gonna get your date, and your month, along with your battery percentage, and it is in the active. So if I tap there, I can bring up my calendar. If I tap right here on the mouse, it's gonna bring up my step information as well. So I thought that was pretty decent for a free watch face. And also, if I double tap here, I can go into the 12 different watch faces that this developer is giving me. I'm just gonna cycle through a few of them so you get an idea of what you're gonna be in for when you download this awesome watch face, right? And it says that it has up to 96 different languages that it supports as well. Just didn't say how you go about getting it, but if you find out, share with me and I'll spread the word. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.